Mahinda Yapa, Speaker of Parliament, endorsed a certificate on the Online Safety Bill, which was passed in Parliament, and it was published via an official Gazette.
How does the Online Safety Act define false statements?
Multiple factors influence the labeling of a statement as false. A false statement means a statement that is known or believed by its maker to be incorrect or untrue. In addition, a false statement means statement made especially with intent to deceive or mislead. However, it does not include a caution, an opinion, or imputation made in good faith. The legislation grants a designated commission the power to prohibit the dissemination of demonstrably false information online. Furthermore, the Commission is authorized to initiate legal proceedings and impose fines upon individuals found to have violated these provisions.
How does the new law define and handle the designation of proscribed statements online?
Any person, whether in or outside Sri Lanka, who poses a threat to national security, public health or public order, or promotes feelings of ill will and hostility between different classes of people by communicating a false statement commits an offence and shall on conviction be liable to imprisonment for a term not exceeding 5 years or to a fine not exceeding 500,000 rupees or to both such imprisonment and fine. Under the new law, it is an offence punishable by imprisonment, fines or both to incite riots with false statements, disturb religious gatherings with misinformation, or maliciously spread falsehoods offensive to religious sentiments. The legislation further criminalizes online communication that constitutes contempt of court, as well as both general online fraud and fraudulent activity involving impersonation. Any person, whether in or outside Sri Lanka, who communicates any false statement with intent to cause any officer, sailor, soldier, or airman in the Navy, Army, or Air Force of Sri Lanka to mutiny, or with intent to cause fear or alarm to the public, induces any other person to commit an offence against the state or against the public tranquillity, commits an offence and shall on conviction be liable to both such imprisonment and fine. The legislation further criminalizes online communications that constitute harassment, child abuse, and the creation or modification of bots intended to carry out criminal activities.
Which specific authority in Sri Lanka can take action against false statements under the new law?
According to the newly enacted Online Safety Act, the power to take action against false statements rests with the Commission on Online Safety, a 5-member body established by the Act. The Commission shall consist of 5 members appointed by the President, subject to the approval of the Constitutional Council. The President shall appoint one of the members of the Commission to be the Chairman of the Commission. The term of office of the Chairman and the members of the Commission shall be 3 years. Furthermore, the Commission is vested with the authority to issue recommendations to Internet service providers and Internet intermediaries mandating the removal of prohibited statements as designated by the Commission. The Act mandates the registration of websites offering social media functionalities to Sri Lankan end users, with the specific registration process to be detailed in regulations promulgated under this legislation.